is Prerna with another fresh topic that has been taking all our minds and eyes on Bard. Today, when we are seeing an explosion of AI tools, we eagerly waited for Google.ai. Google has come up with an early experiment with generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative artificial intelligence, or generative AI, is a type of artificial intelligence system capable of generating text, images, or other media in response to prompts. The whole revolution started with OpenAI ChatGPT, and then the social media was flooded with all the AI tools expecting to make work and life easier. In today's video, we would be exploring Bard, which is a new AI language model from Google. Bard is still under development, hence when you open Bard it shows Bard experiment, but it's already capable of generating human-quality text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. Bard is designed as an interface to Google's LLM that enables users to collaborate with generative AI. That brings us to first understanding what is LLM and how Google uses it. A large language model, LLM, is a statistical model that is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows LLMs to understand the nuances of human language and generate text that is both grammatically correct and meaningful. Google uses LLMs in a variety of ways, including generating text. LLMs can be used to generate text, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Translating languages. LLMs can be used to translate languages, both from one language to another and from one dialect to another. Answering questions. LLMs can be used to answer questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Writing different kinds of creative content. LLMs can be used to write different kinds of creative content, such as blog posts, articles, stories, and poems. Coding. LLMs can be used to code, both in traditional programming languages and in new, experimental languages. LLMs are a powerful new technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. As LLMs continue to develop, we can expect to see them used in even more ways, and to have an even greater impact on our lives. Here are some specific examples of how Google uses LLMs. Google Search. Google Search uses LLMs to understand the meaning of search queries and to return the most relevant results. Google Translate. Google Translate uses LLMs to translate text from one language to another. Google Assistant. Google Assistant uses LLMs to understand natural language and to respond to user requests. Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform offers a variety of LLM services, including text generation, translation, and question answering. LLMs are a powerful new technology that has the potential to change the way we interact with computers. Google is at the forefront of LLM research and development, and is using LLMs to improve its products and services in a variety of ways. How Bard works. 1. Pre-training. Bard is based on an optimized version of Lambda language models for dialogue applications, and just like most LLMs today, was pre-trained on a variety of data. This pre-training allows it to learn to pick up on patterns in language and use them to predict the next probable word in sequence. 2. Responses to user prompts. Once a user provides a prompt, Bard uses the context in the prompt and the interaction with the user to draft several versions of a response, classifying and checking it against predetermined safety parameters. Limitations of Bard. 1. Like all LLMs, Bard can sometimes generate responses that contain inaccurate or misleading information. Since the underlying mechanism of an LLM is that of predicting the next word or sequence of words, LLMs are not fully capable of distinguishing between accurate and inaccurate information. 2. Persona Bard might at times generate responses to suggest it has opinions or emotions. 3. False positives or negatives. 1. Multiple drafts. Bard can generate variety of responses from single/similar prompts, enabling users to see multiple drafts of Bard's responses and choose according to preference. 2. New response. If a user would like to see different set of responses, they can ask Bard to generate a new response. 3. Google.ai-Bard has a Google.ai button to make it easy for users to check its responses or explore sources on the web. When a user clicks Google.ai, Bard provides suggestions for Google search queries. Clicking on a query opens Google search in a new tab where user can check Bard's response or search further. Bard is developing. As said above, Bard is still in its experimenting phase, and similar to Google's work on responsible AI, it strives to work on LLMs and provide regular updates. So my people, that's all about Bard. Hope it was informative, useful, and simple to understand. We are a new channel and brewing content on fintech, business alliances, and all the business hot topics. For more such content, please provide your support by subscribing to the channel. For any input, question, or feedback,